Welcome back to the channel, guys. This is my brand new drive tire that I just put on. It's got like 1600 miles on it. I've already got a nail in it and got a flat. So I thought I'd take a moment while I'm fixing it to bring you guys along and show you how I go about doing it. I'm not going to say it's the right way, but works for me. Never had a problem with it. So anyway, we're going to go ahead and pull the nail out. I've already marked the spot on the inside of the tire where the nail's at so I can find it after I pull it out. And so we'll go ahead and see if we can get it pulled out of here with these dikes. And that would be the nail. So anyway, I'll turn it back around this way and line you up over here. Alright guys, hopefully you can see that pretty clear, the inside of the tire. You can see the red circle I have drawn around inside the tire. And I'm just using a regular DeWalt side grinder to do the grinding with. There's a little technique to using this. You can't just go in there and go grinding away like crazy. You just kind of gotta lightly rake it across. If you put any pressure on it, it will melt the rubber instead of grinding it away and make a big mess. So anyway, here we go. Alright guys, I got it all ground away there, pretty decent looks like. And I'm using brake clean. This is a non-chlorinated brake clean. I've used ether before as well. But basically you gotta get that stuff cleaned off. The rubber there. That's just a normal old scraper. Normal old shop towel. Anyway, that's cleaned up pretty good there. You can see the hole right there. And we'll get us a patch and get her put on there. This is the vulcanizing cement I use, just got it at Napa, nothing special. These are the patches I use. It's one size fits all. It's a pretty good size patch there. And this is the stitching tool, the rolling tool. I probably should pick up a proper tire buffer one of these days. They run a lot slower speed and don't melt the rubber like the grinder will, but the grinder works pretty doggone good. That's all you got to work with. I put a little bit too much of that on there, but it'll be okay. I'll let that dry for a minute and get tacky. Alright guys, we're going to go ahead and stick the patch on there. Pull this side back like this. And place it like that. We'll see if we can get the other side to pull off. Alright guys, it's not perfect, but it's in there. I'll show you here. Right there, that's what she looks like all said and done. We're going to get this mounted back up and get her aired back up, put back on the truck. In the professional tire videos, they always turn out 100% perfect. They never have any trouble, but this is real world, real life, and it's 100 degrees in the shop. I'm about to get this fan turned back on. So we're going to go ahead and get this aired back up.
enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys next time.